Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with the S23 Ultra, and here's another very useful tip for you guys. In this one, I'll be showing you how to turn on the scene optimizer. Okay, so once you turn on the scene optimizer, what it does, it automatically optimizes the camera settings to make dark scenes look brighter, food look tastier, and landscapes look more vivid. So yeah, this is definitely something to turn on within the camera settings. So here's how to do it. Just open up the camera, go into the settings, and here you will see the scene optimizer. Just go ahead and turn it on. It's that simple, guys. And when you select it, it pretty much just explains everything that I've just said. So automatically optimize camera settings to make dark scenes look brighter, food look tastier, and landscapes look more vivid. So that's it, guys. That's it for the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor. Stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified the second I upload my next video. And believe me, guys, there's more videos on the way with this awesome S23 Ultra. I'm out. Deuces.